Hi, I'm Danielle Cuccio, yoga instructor and CEO of wellness brand Cuccio Somatology. And today I'm going to guide you through a yoga sequence to help unlock stress. Many of us deal with stress in our lives. It's just a part of life. And yoga can be a great tool to unlock that stress, rid ourselves of anxiety, and also just find more peace and calm. So we're going to start seated, palms facing down on our knees, shoulders away from our ears, and just soften your eyes closed. Relax your jaw, relax all the muscles in your face, and just start to find a nice, easy breath. So inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose, inhale, and exhale. And I want you to continue with this breath, paying attention to the breath. So breathing is one really easy way to instantly come to the present moment. And when we come to the present moment, we rid ourselves of anything in the past, anything in the future that might be causing us anxiety. Another great tool, if you can, try to focus your breath on being maybe a bit longer than you usually would breathe. So maybe your inhale, you count to 4. And then on your exhale, maybe you count to 5. Allowing that exhale to be a bit longer than the inhale. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, inhale. Exhale. So you're going to continue with this breath throughout today. And if you lose it at any point, just gently come back to it. So when we breathe, we tap into our parasympathetic nervous system. So that's our rest and relaxation. We start to find more calm. And when we do that, we can think way more clearly. We can focus. Maybe some good ideas start to pop up. I know I always have my best ideas when I'm on my mat or meditating. Just taking one more nice deep breath in. And if you want, you can exhale side out through your mouth, unlocking that stress. So gently float your eyes open. And we're going to take our hands forward, rolling on top of the knees, and we'll find a tabletop position. So shoulders stack on top of your wrists, hips on top of the knees, and just start to find cat-cow. So inhale, lift your heart, tailbone comes high, arch your spine here. And then exhale, round your spine, cat. So navel comes in. So let this feel really good. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift. Exhale, cat and round. So now, if you want, you can move your neck around a bit. You can hold it in one spot a bit longer. Find what feels good. Maybe you take the hips back. Maybe you take them forward, around. The great part of yoga is that this is just like your time to do what feels good. If something doesn't feel good, you can always take a modification. Let's do one more just like this. So inhale and exhale. And then we'll just start to meet back in a flat back, so neutral spine. So push into your hands here, tuck your toes under and lift your knees and just hover the knees up off the mat. So another great thing about yoga is it requires a lot of physical strength, and Instantly, we stop thinking about that stress or anything that's going on off of our mats. So just getting a little distracted in a good way here. Take a nice deep breath in, push your hands down towards the mat, and then exhale, straighten your legs, send your tailbone high, relax your head, relax your neck, relax your shoulders. All right, so now from here, you're gonna look towards your hands, bend your knees, walk your feet towards the top of your mat, come into a nice easy forward fold. So in this forward fold, you can let your arms come down, you can take your hands towards opposite elbows, you can sway side to side, you can take a shoulder opener, lots of options here for you. And I want you to think about almost like all those extra thoughts, that stress, that anxiety, it's just kind of like melting out of your mind right now. So just letting those things go, whatever it is, let it go. And then just coming back to center, release your arms down, bending your knees, roll up slowly, finding a lighter you. Thoughts or any of those extra thoughts are gone. And then when you're ready, just inhale the arms up, take a nice deep breath in, inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms lift high. Exhale, hands through heart center, but forward fold. So lead with your heart flat back, hands come all the way down. So keeping the legs where they are. Let's find that breath. Inhale, halfway lift, so tabletop with the spine. Shoulder blades come together, flat back. Find that tabletop. So if I were to put something on your spine, it would stay there. And then exhale, forward fold. Relax your head down. From here, plant your palms. We're going to come into downward facing dog. So tailbone high, we were already here. It's like an upside down V shape with your body. The tailbone's high, the heels are settled, but don't force the heels down. If they don't want to do it, don't force it. From here, you're going to inhale the right leg up towards the sky. So take a nice deep breath in. And then on your exhale, bend your knee and step your foot all the way through in between your hands. So you're coming into a nice low lunge. Where's that breath? Come back to that breathing. Inhale the heart forward. Stay here, exhale. All right, so let's add on. Inhale, squeeze your inner thighs together, lift the body up. And I want you to keep a slight bend in your back knee. So this is crescent pose. So it requires some balance, some focus. Just breathe, shoulders away from the ears, get long through your neck, tailbone faces down. Take a nice deep breath in. And then exhale, open warrior two. So stamp the left heel down, back heel down. Gaze towards your right middle fingernail. So that's our dristi, that's our focal point. And this is a great way to let go of stress and just be in the present moment. Find that breath. Right knee stocks on top of that right ankle. While you're here, maybe set an intention. So I love setting an intention for my day. I love doing yoga in the morning. Finding an intention for your day, finding purpose can really make a huge difference. So that can be maybe just to find more calm throughout your day. Maybe it's something that you need to get done that day. When you're ready, flip that right palm up. Inhale, reverse your warrior. So I want you to reach more up than back here. Find that nice side body stretch on the right side of your waist. Let it feel good, and then relax your right shoulder away from the right ear. Take one nice deep breath in. Exhale, windmill your hands all the way down, and then I want you to slide your right leg back, come back into down dog. All right, so now from here, you're gonna shift your body forward, and I want you to just find a plank. So push your hands down towards the mat. Hold it here. Again, our mind can't really get too distracted here. This is a lot of hard work. Also, when we have stress in our lives, sometimes we think like we're not strong enough or yada yada. This is a great way when you get to your mat, you can be like, wait, I am strong enough. I can get through a lot, and then kind of like apply that to your life. So I want you to take a nice deep breath in, and then exhale, come back into down dog, and we'll do that left side. So inhale the left leg up towards the sky, deep breath in. Exhale, start to bend the knee, step your foot all the way through. Find that low lunge, take your heart forward, so away from the tailbone, bring your left hip back to be in line with the right. Take a deep breath in, inhale, exhale, and then we'll squeeze the inner thighs together, lift up crescent pose. So bend that back knee a tad, just like we did on the other side. Arms are really straight and active, shoulders down, long through the neck. Deep breath in. Exhale, open warrior two. From here, flip that left palm up. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Reach more up than back. Deep breath in. Exhale, windmill your hands all the way down. Slide the leg back, come back into that down dog. Believe it or not, this is our resting pose. Taking a nice deep breath in. Open mouth, exhale, unlocking that stress. And then from here, I want you just to gently release your knees down. And we're gonna meet back in a tabletop position here. And I want you to take your right arm up towards the sky. Deep breath in. Exhale, thread your right arm under the left and drop your right shoulder down. So this is a really nice shoulder opener, and I really want you to push that right shoulder down and breathe. You can close your eyes if you want. Instantly feeling so much better just within a few minutes. And then we'll just unwind. Inhale the right arm back up, deep breath in. Exhale, release the hands. And then we'll switch sides. So inhale, left arm high. Exhale, thread the left arm under the right. So left temple down, tailbone stays high. Push into the left shoulder. Find that breath. When you are ready, no rush, unwind. Left arm lifts, deep breath in. Exhale, release the hand. All right, so then from here, we're gonna meet just back in a seated pose. If you'd like, you can come onto your back for Shavasana. Otherwise, just meeting in a nice easy seated pose, closing your eyes. Shoulders away from the ears, back to where we started. In just a few moments, just notice how quickly we can change how we're feeling. So it's a choice to hold on to that stress, hold on to that tension, or just let it go by using our breath, maybe coming to your yoga mat, doing a few poses. It doesn't have to be an hour. After weeks of stress, after years of stress, our bodies hold on to this, and it's our job to unlock that energy. And that's exactly what meditation, what breath, and yoga do. Gently seal your palms together to touch in front of your heart center. So thumbs dive towards the heart, shoulders away from the ears. I want you to just take a nice deep breath in, filling up the belly, filling up the lungs. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. And just bowing the head towards the heart, thanking yourself for making it to your mat. The divine light in me bows and salutes to the divine light in you. Great job, you guys. Namaste.